everyone, it's me, Lisa, and today I'm going to be doing a role play with my friend Izzy.
Hi!
On Roblox Brookhaven, so I am really excited. Are you excited, Izzy?
Yes!
Okay, so we're gonna get started. Shoo! Shoo!
Ach, para wstawać? Oh. Time to get up? Okay. Time to go wake up Bella before she, of course, sleeps in. Bella! Time to wake up!
Coming.
Come on. I'm waiting for you
Okay.
downstairs. Downstairs, breakfast is going to be ready.
Okay, can I just sleep for 5 more minutes?
The 5 minutes is going to turn into an hour. Get up.
Ugh, fine.
Goodbye.
Bye. Ugh, why? Why are we even waking up this early? It's Saturday. Guess I'll just go.
Breakfast is ready.
Coming.
It's pancakes.
Really?
Yes.
Yay.
Come on. Eat up, and then we'll go change and have some plans for us. Like, we're going to go visit the museum, we're going to go to Starbucks, we're going to have so much fun.
Ooh, that sounds really fun.
Eat up.
Really
That
good.
is so good.
I love it.
Okay,
Thank
I'll see
you.
you by the front door in 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna go change.
Okay.
Wait, are we going to the museum first?
Yeah,
or?
we're going to the museum first.
Okay. Get
It's
dressed.
summer, remember?
I
Really
remember.
hot outside.
Okay. La 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 la. Finally finished my hair.
Bella, you coming?
Yeah,
Time
I'm
to go.
coming.
Come on.
How far is the museum?
I think it's like, I don't know. Come here, car.
No.
We're going by car. I think it's like a 5-minute drive. Not too far.
5? Okay.
Yeah. You're lucky I have my driver's license. Because if I didn't either, then we would have to walk.
I'm fine with walking.
Yeah, because you always have to walk.
Okay.
Bless you, Bella.
Thanks.
Okay, we're here.
Ooh, really?
Yep.
Oh, I forgot something in the car, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna get it. Okay. Coming.
Hey, come on. It's so beautiful up here. You got it.
Is it upstairs?
Yep.
Okay. Whoa! This is so cool.
This is Mr. and Miss Brookhaven.
It looks so cool and pretty. Is this like the old Brookhaven before anything was built?
I think
So cool.
That's
What's this crystal-like thing?
I have no idea. Doesn't really say.
Whoa, what's this? Is this how it used to look like?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Crazy, right?
There's so much cool things
Our
in
town
here.
has changed so much.
I know. Don't really know who these people are, but
Well, they're pretty.
fine. This skull scares me.
I wonder whose it is.
Probably Mr. Brookhaven's.
Maybe. Hey, so do you want to go to Starbucks now?
Sure.
Okay, come on. I'll pay for the two of us.
Thanks.
Frappuccino, coffee, what would you want?
I think I would like the green frappuccino. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I'm at the Starbucks.
Oh, I thought we were gonna go by car.
No.
Sorry.
We're right here. Okay, I'll get it
Okay.
first.
Thank you.
Frappuccino. And hi, I'd also like coffee, please.
espresso? Can I have my frappuccino?
Here you
Did you just take a sip of mine?
go. Yes. It's so good.
Wow.
Okay, why don't you sit down?
Sure.
It's summer. We have a whole 2 months off of school. What are we going to do?
I know. I mean, I've always wanted to take a trip somewhere, but I never knew where.
Well, oh, I know.
Where?
I've been to the Dominican Republic once with my family. What if me and you go? It'll be
Oh,
so fun.
that sounds really fun.
What do you want to do that?
Yeah, I would love to do
We
that.
could get the tickets today, and then we could go tomorrow.
Sure.
Wouldn't that be amazing?
I would love that.
Okay, let's do it then.
Okay.
So you for sure Dominican Republic?
Yes.
Okay. How long do you want to go for? Like a week?
I think maybe 2 or 1 weeks.
I think 1 week would be good.
Okay, do you want to like register now for our spa or like when we're there?
When we're there.
Okay.
Okay, let's go get the tickets now.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Wait, I finished my frappuccino.
Okay, I still have mine. Let's go.
Okay, so we're going to the airport and getting tickets for Dominican Republic.
You can't get.
What do you mean? I can't get.
You can't get.
I can't get what?
Nothing. We're all good. Alright. How is the airport by the Brooks Diner again, right?
I
By
think
it?
yeah.
Well, you should know better. You've lived here your whole life. I moved here a couple years ago.
A couple of years ago, and you don't know.
Like 2 years ago only. You lived here for your whole 18 years of life.
How do you remember I'm 18? I told you that like literally a year ago.
Because.
Okay.
Hi. We would like to buy tickets for the
Hello.
Dominican.
Okay. For how long?
A week.
Okay. And when do you want to leave?
In a week.
No.
Oh.
When do you want to go?
Oh, tomorrow.
Okay. Here are your tickets. Wait.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Whew, we got the tickets.
Come on. Let's go home. Or do you want to go home or have some dinner here at Brooks Diner?
I think we can go home.
Have dinner at home?
We spent a lot of money already because of the tickets. They're like $2,000 for each person.
Okay, come on.
That's a lot of money. So I think we're good.
Yeah. We're amazing.
Where are you going?
Home.
This does not look like the way home.
I'm taking the long way home.
Why?
Oh, hey, look, someone has a house on the islands over there.
That's cool. Whoa.
Well, we'll be back home in like 10 minutes.
Okay. Ugh, we're finally here.
Right, we're finally back home. Okay, well, I'll go make some dinner. You can go change or stay.
Okay.
And I'll call you when dinner's ready.
Okay, do I already change into pajamas? Or?
Yeah, just change into pajamas.
Okay. It is pretty early though.
Fine, let's just have a movie night.
Yay. We can have a movie night in my room. I have a big TV.
Yeah, of course, sure.
Okay.
So I'll call you down.
Okay. Okay, finished changing.
Bella, time for dinner.
Coming.
I made chicken for today. Is that fine?
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay.
I didn't even know we had chicken.
Oh, this is the chicken from last week.
Oh, I hope it's not spoiled.
Isn't it still good though? Like it's still good, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay.
Did you see any mold on it?
No.
That's good.
Also, today before you go to bed, make sure you pack your stuff for tomorrow.
Okay, like get ready, get my clothes ready.
Yeah, just get everything ready for tomorrow, and we'll have to leave at 6 in the morning.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
Because our plane ride is like at 7:30. So.
Oh, then maybe we should wake up at 4.
Why wake up at 4? I think 5 should be good.
I don't know. Thanks
Okay.
for the fid.
You're welcome. So maybe we shouldn't do a movie night since we have to wake up so early.
Let's go like get our stuff ready and then like go to bed and tomorrow wake up.
Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
So, I have to get my stuff. So, I have my phone, my credit card, my airplane ticket. What else do I need? I need... sure, let's bring a book. My suitcase, of course. Where am I gonna pack my stuff? So I have my credit card. Yes, I'm gonna have a backpack, some binoculars. Why not a camera? Maybe I could also bring something else. I think that's all good, right? Yeah, I don't really need anything else. Like, we're gonna pack food in a separate bag. Yep. Or why would we need to pack food? Okay, well, I'm just gonna get my clothes ready tomorrow because I am too lazy. So, go to sleep. Good night. Shoo. Shoo.
Girl, you're like a tractor. Come on, time to get up.
Wow, that was rude.
Just get up, change, and I'll meet you downstairs. Okay?
Fine. Oh, make breakfast.
We don't have time for breakfast. Just change.
Actually,
Yes, just
I'm
change.
starving.
You'll have an apple.
Fine. Ugh, finish changing.
Lisa, also did you get your suitcase?
Yes, I did.
Okay, come on. Let's just have an apple.
I'm grumpy because I'm hungry.
You're fine. We're just gonna have an apple.
Ugh. So annoying.
We're good. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Bring another apple with you if you want.
Thank you. Because there's 0 food in the airport. Can I drive? I'm going to drive.
No.
Yes.
You can't.
Bye. Oh, oof. Get in the car.
Go. Come on.
Fine, chill.
He said that, yeah.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna be late for the airport.
No, we ain't. I'm picking up speed.
Our flight is at 7:30.
I'm picking up speed, no worries. I'm not good at driving, but no worries.
Oh, come on. Don't even park.
Run! Ah! We're already going in.
It's okay. Hi.
Hi, we came.
Here
Thank you.
Here you go.
Here you go. Thank you. Bye. Oh no!
Run. Okay, didn't lift off before.
Go.
Come on.
Running. Gosh.
Okay. These are our seats over here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
We barely made it.
I'm glad we did. I'm gonna turn on the TV behind
I'll
you.
be right back. I'm gonna go to the washroom.
Okay. Why did you turn off the light? It's fine. I'm gonna watch the rags to riches, because why not? Huh?
What is this?
What's
There's an
happening?
emergency. Parachute, I guess.
Parachute?
Come on.
Whoa.
Come on.
What's
I
happening?
don't know. You ready?
3, 2, 1. Whoa! Ah! 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 Whoa, I'm gonna fall! Oh my gosh, that was scary.
Where are you?
Let's land in the pool.
I can't.
What do you mean?
My parachute broke!
Jump!
Ah!
Woo! Oh. Ooh. Wee. Izzy? Izzy! Izzy! Are you okay?
I can't
What
move.
happened?
My parachute, it broke.
Oh no. I better get you to the hospital. Let's go. I hope you're okay.
My leg.
It's okay. Don't worry. One more minute and we'll reach the hospital, okay? And you're gonna have to explain everything to the doctor, okay?
Yeah.
So tell me what happened again.
My parachute broke!
Okay!
What else happened?
Oh no! Hi, please help me. Yeah, her parachute. Her parachute broke, and I think she hurt herself really badly. Okay, thank you. Excuse me, we have to go to the X-ray. Okay. Get on. Get on. How does it feel like? You okay?
No,
What hurt?
my bone.
Doctor, is she gonna be okay?
No, she has broken her bone in her leg. So unfortunately, she's gonna have to stay in the hospital for a couple of weeks so her bone can at least get a little bit of rest. Are you okay with that?
Yes, I'm okay with anything. I just want her to be okay.
Okay, then we'll see you in a week.
Okay, thank you. Good luck, Izzy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Eek, I'm on my way to get Izzy. I really hope she's okay. Well, of course she's gonna be. It's been a week. I'm so bad at driving. I'm glad I at least got my driver's license. Don't think they really notice how bad I am. My gosh. It's fine if I don't park. Oh, I see her already. Izzy! Hi! Are you okay?
Yes,
How do you feel?
absolutely good.
How do you feel? Oh my
I'm
gosh.
amazing.
That's so good to know.
So, I see you got your driver's license. Motorcycle?
Yeah.
Um.
Here, I'm gonna quickly check you out, okay?
Okay.
Hi. Yeah, I'm here to check out Izzy. Yeah, thanks. Bye. Have a great day.
Can I try driving the motorcycle?
Sure.
Get on.
Wait up. Okay, you ready? I hope you're happy with what I made in the house.
What'd you make in the house?
Oh, I changed it up a bit. Wait.
Okay.
What?
What is that? Is that what I think that is?
Oh my gosh. What happened to our house?
There's a fire! Quick, call the firefighters.
Okay.
not answering.
Oh no, what are we gonna do?